This Deland community is close to the Sanford Airport. In the Deland Airport, you have shopping and dining nearby, and the base price starts at $396,990. It's a unique floor plan. You have the flex room up front. All of the bedrooms wrap around the home. We come into your first bedroom. You have 2,517 square feet of living space. The bathroom is actually a full-size bathroom. You have your second room. And your third bedroom. This bedroom shares a bathroom. You have the walk-in shower, double vanity, a nice big walk-in closet. In the primary bedroom suite, there's a total of 4 bedrooms. The great room opens up to your kitchen, and in the front, as I mentioned, you can have a flex room. It could also be a 5th bedroom or a study. Over here would be your garage, and then you have your laundry room. Across the hall here, you do have a powder room. Try to dodge the mirror here. There's 7 different floor plans to choose from. Homes available as soon as February, March. You have a beautiful kitchen with an island and the pantry over in the corner. And the separate area over by your covered lanai for your dining space. Again, my name is Amanda Haynes. I hope you've enjoyed my video tour. And if you'd like more information, feel free to give me a call